So right now we are here. Shabazz is over there vlogging. Once again, he might give one bunch of story why he gonna mess around the bird. Really and truly, he need to just leave the bird them alone. But for real though, me not see them parents. How can I kill this bud? Me a look. We're gonna see what Shabazz are doing.
Them say if you touch on and pick them, the mother and father not go on them.
Might a goat kid that dog.
Not go on them.
People, no Shabazz says somebody message him.
Yes.
And I say, if you touch a bird pitney, the mother go disown them. Me I tell the man say a goat kid alone that if you touch a tail, if you touch the tail of the goat, the mother now go deal with the kid no more.
Just want to say I'll show you to my people. Are you your brother or are you your sister? How much are you need? I leave you a black one. Hold on. They want deworm. How about some worm?
Yo, they not dead for hungry cause worm they eat and you go deworm them. People, me not like this strange, it weird. Out here, I trouble the bird baby them. No, we don't see the mother. Yo, some girl kill this in the dog. Where them parents there? No. Right now we're there. Ricky over there. Shabazz over there. And we're just there. We're at the mall right now. We are see if we can get some things. Just buy a white pants at H&M because we have a white party we go later. So just there and we are doing it, you know? Yeah man. But right now we just leave the mall. Shabazz over there.
My seat wet up dog.
Shabazz left him in the half crack and rain did a fall. So we're there. Oh the God. Push the start. So right now at 5 o'clock the boy okay my gun yard. 5:30.
Well I make weird noise you know.
Just reaching back. Right now is 5:32 right now. I still can't hear me deaf from the sound box. Stand up right side of the sound box. Where? We got one party, we have one part. Left that reach World Dog Party because you don't know we have to support World Dog thing. World Dog Party was a hit. We go there full same way. You know what I mean? We enjoy ourselves, we have fun. It was a good look. You know what I mean? All of people come out, all of people support the dog. But we're there and we are doing it for the vlog. We are going to see if we can get an hour sleep because I Saturday morning now and we are shoot tomorrow into tomorrow night to get to edit it for Sunday. So I'm a voice gone, but we're there.
Tragedy struck. Tragedy struck people, tragedy struck. Alright, see mother there right there, son. The baby drop out of her nest. The mother down there so with the baby when the baby then drop out of her nest. See baby then can jump but then can't fly. You're big no. Can't fly. You me want to take him up and put him back in the nest but me know if me go nowhere near him, I'm gonna show me out. Damn, don't go too far little boy.
Good morning. Right now I'm here. You know what I mean? Tired as usual. I don't know why. I feel like I just can't sleep good at night time. I want cuddle. I need some cuddles. If I no cuddle at night time I can't sleep and I not get no cuddles so can't sleep, I'm stressed. Yeah, Nathan. But we're there right now. Shabazz gone on the road, gonna look breakfast. Shabazz gonna buy food, but him just called me everything with them have me no want none of that. So you know what me I gotta do? I gotta deal with my mackerel. You know what I mean? So yeah, me there. I'm about to chef up some mackerel right now. I probably fry dumpling or I probably boil dumpling. Tired of rice. Tired of rice. Chicken back and mackerel are probably my favorite food in the world. Chicken back and mackerel. I'm gonna care what nobody wants to say. You understand? Food just done. I'm about to shelly right now as you can see. You know what I mean? One probably I say yo 3 dumpling, I crave them, but if you tell you the truth, me only put 3 dumpling in there if you take the picture. Between me and you, a 6 dumpling me I go eat. Me not lie, me I tell you straight, 6 dumpling me I go eat. Me just put 3 in there if you take a picture for you say me not crave them. Facts. Like why me do something where me have to share with them. You see the whole food when we do and everything like a while. Real Jamaican people know say nobody nah near mackerel, so for real. You have to make sure the mackerel you have gravy in it, you have to food. This never look good, this no look enticing. And that's why I do it the way the food. You see how it look good and pretty, but I in the plate that me I consume food. I just add 3 more dumplings to it and some gravy. Just like that. I don't like nobody, so run.
What do you like?
That's why I don't like no See how look cute?
So, my camera.
No, and that. Remember, Dante do not like iPhone. Pre this though.
Yeah.
Do not. Watch your rate. You see when me edit the vlog, yeah? Me go cut them. Yeah, Dante there, so.
We are shoot movies, music video.
Movies, vlogs, yeah, comedy, whatever. Why your vlog page?
Music video.
Why your vlog page name? That's a good question. When Dante give me a vlog page, we are gonna tag it.
Antony, we don't want to talk about the movie, but the movie what we did for drop for Sunday, change our plan because we make Dante forward now. So Dante they are part of the team for help with the work and thing.
You don't know what I'm a part of it? It's gonna be sick.
We don't know, so stay tuned.
You don't even see the equipment yet.
Yeah, hold on, remember you know.
Oh God.
Me tell you now, if you don't get it Sunday, you don't get it Monday, well you might get it Tuesday. Because now it's more better than what it was before.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, the people that could have entered the day today, trust me. I've got
people right now we're there. You know what I mean? Just done bid. We're there and we are doing it for the vlog. Remember we have do it for the vlog shirt. Them are forward soon. The website that deal with yo, you're frightened me little while in a run, me need to run, you know. Yeah, the website will drop soon, so when all of that forward out, you don't know the link I got all over the place. Just look out for that. Oh damn, we are doing it for the vlog, right? Mad move. We're not sure what we are dealing with today yet. As always, cause we just go with the day, flow with the day. You know what I mean? So anywhere the wind blows, we going. Do it for the vlog. In the suburban. You know what I mean? We're about to go to the airport right now. Dante got one of them bags or something like that. So we're about to go to the airport right now. We'll deal with that. A forward back. You have Ricky right there.
the driver.
The driver.
Oh, what's that dog?
Suburban driver. Andrew right there.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Egbert. So vlog.
We in the living room.
We in the living room, but we standing on the couch.
They gonna kick us out. This is not the couch that's in the house. We got rid of this.
We live in lavish.
Do it for the vlog.
Yeah, that's right.
We just take some pictures.
Yeah, that's right. Ready. You know, Dante right there. Don't know. Out here killing it. Wait for the movie though. The movie's gonna be.
Look at it.
Guy cam. So right now we're there, you don't know. The location for the couch has moved.
Yeah.
To bigger and a better place, different living rooms.
Yeah, look at.
We're there in the dining room.
Different living room.
I got things we are going, but we can't tell you no until we don't do them and only see them.
Right. Yes.
But now see some pictures still.
Yo, this probably look cute still, you know. Me not lying, you know, with the sun and everything and the adjacent door we said. Yeah man, we're there and we just do it for the vlog.
Just take it so
Dude, look how far away take some picture. Right now, I can't see because it's too bright. We in our Delhi. Oh, right, that's some black. You have.
Okay, right here.
And boom, I'm watching camera now. You don't know what we look. You have Dante here by him chaser.
Do it for the black t-shirt. Dante about some deadly liquor.
You know what I mean?
We're going to see what's going to happen tonight.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to see.
Yeah, so we're there.
Yeah, one might not see.
And we are both fair.
Hey, if it made the vlog, it made the vlog.
Yeah, we don't know what I'm going tonight. I'm plan for drink, but just eat and go sleep. But good night, people. Good night. As you can see, it was a nice little vlog. It was a chill vibe. We never do too much. We do enough, but we never do too much. You know what I mean? Nightingale them, the baby them come like them dead. Them drop out of the nest from when drop out of the nest, me not see them again. Sad story, tragedy. I mean, they like them, you know, me go thief them, you know. As some me know me should have thief them, you know. That are the first thing me they want to thief them, but you know, they go say me thief on them some of this, so. If me they thief them, that will not happen. That a moralized story. Sometimes I know if you thief. Andrew right there, you know what I mean? But yeah, in Nightingale them dead, all of them dead off. The mama them run my father gone to jail, me don't know what going on. But we're there, and we are doing it for the vlog. You know what I mean? Mad move. I'm not lie people, right now me excited to the amount of thing we have in the works for Uno. Me excited for see how Uno go. You know, we have whole heap of things we are deal with, from website to shirts to. Me I tell you now where me I love to tell you right now, cause a couple things we can't speak of yet, but we have whole heap of things I deal with right now. I wanna go see it. Only time Uno see we not post unless we're too busy to work on something for post. Remember that. Always I go post. So the only time we not post if we are work on something for post. So me just go edit this, finish edit the vlog here, drop this to it, upload the one here right now for you, and as always continue the next one right after this. You know what I mean? Bad move.